Hello students. So in the previous class, we solved some of the problems related to motion, acceleration, velocity, and we even saw one of the graph. So in this class, I will be solving some more problems related to this acceleration and velocity, which are not there in your textbook, like it's out of your textbook. So first question. A train accelerates from 36 km per hour to 54 km per hour in 10 seconds. So find the acceleration. So what they have given is, it is a train is accelerating. It means the speed is increasing from 36 km per hour to 54 km per hour. So initial velocity. Initial velocity represented by u, that is 36 km per hour. Next, final velocity v, that is 54 km per hour. Time 10 seconds. So we need to find what is a, that is acceleration. So you know from the equation that a is equal to v minus u by t. But here, if you look, the time is in second, whereas the speed, the velocity, it's in kilometer per hour. So either you need to change this to hour, or you need to change this kilometer and hour to meter and second. So what I'll do is, I'll change this to meter per second. So if you want to change this to meter per second, so conversion, I'll do it here. 36 kilometer per hour. So 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So 36 kilometer means 36 into 1000. So 1 hour is having 3600 seconds. So it is 3600, since it is divided by hour. So 36 km per hour, I can write it like this. So here 36, I will cancel this 20, this 20, 36. So I will be left with 10. So 36 km per hour is nothing but 10 meters per second. So similarly, this 54 km per hour. 54 km means 54 into 1000 meters. So hour, that is 3600 seconds. 20. So 18 2s are 18 3s are. So this is 2 1s are 5s are. This is nothing but 15 meter per second. So later you can substitute this in equation. V, that is 15, u 10, time 10. So 15 minus 10 is 5 by 10, that is nothing but 0. That is 1 by 2, that is nothing but 0.5 meter per second square. So the acceleration is 0.5 meter per second square. So this is all about the acceleration. Next. Next, a truck traveling at 54 km per hour is slowed down to 36 km per hour in 10 seconds. Find the retardation. So here also it's the same. So the only thing is they have changed these values. So what they are saying is, a truck traveling at 54 km per hour is slowed down to 36 km per hour in 10 seconds. Here the truck is initially traveling at 54 km per hour. So after applying the brake, the speed is decreasing. So it has decreased 36 km per hour. So here initial velocity, it is traveling at 54 km per hour. Then the final velocity comes down to 36 km per hour. The time is same, that is 10 seconds. So here we need to find what is the acceleration. So when the speed is decreasing, even we can say that it is retarding. So it is also called as retardation. So if the speed is increasing, then it is accelerating. If the speed is decreasing, then it is retarding, or acceleration or retardation, or opposite. So if speed is increasing, acceleration. If velocity is decreasing, retardation. So here V, that is 54. There is nothing but 15 meter per second, 10 meter per second. So V is 10 U, 15 time is 10. 10 minus 5 is minus 5 by 10. This is minus 0.5 meter per second square. So the value remains the same, but here it is negative. So negative sign in acceleration. This is acceleration. So negative sign in acceleration means it is retardation. That means the speed is decreasing. So they might just give you the value. Say the acceleration of an object is minus 10 meter per second square. So they might ask, is the body or is the object speed increasing or decreasing? So here, if the acceleration is negative, it means that the speed of the object is decreasing. So if the acceleration is positive, it means the speed of the object or velocity of the object is increasing. So this you have to be careful. So next, a scooter traveling at 10 meter per second speed up to 20 meter per second in 4 seconds. Find the acceleration. So a scooter is traveling at 10 meter per second. So the initial velocity. I am not changing the equation. I am just keeping it the same. So whatever may be the type of problem, if you know what they have given and if you know what you have to find, so you have to use a suitable equation. A scooter traveling at 10 meter per second speed up to 20 meter per second. So it means initially it is moving at 10 meter per second. So then its speed up means its speed is increasing to 20 meter per second in 4 seconds. What is the acceleration? So final velocity, that is 20, initial velocity 10 times 4 is 10 by 4, 2.5 meter per second square. So the acceleration is 2.5 meter per second square. Next, the maximum speed of a train is 90 km per hour. So that is the maximum speed. It takes 10 hours to cover a distance of 50 km. Find the ratio of its average speed to maximum speed. So here the maximum speed of a train is 90 km per hour. So max speed 90 km per hour. What they have done is it takes 10 hours to cover a distance of 50 km. So distance, sometimes they represent using S. 500 km. Time 10 hours. So they are asking find the ratio of average speed to maximum speed. So we know average speed. Average speed is total distance by total time taken. here the total distance is 500, total time is 10 hours. So since here they have given kilometer per hour, you can use the same kilometer and hour. Instead of converting to meter and second, here they are asking ratio. So initially they have given kilometer per hour. So here no need to change this to meter, because since it is in kilometer, you can keep the kilometer as it is. Here since it is hour, you can keep hour as it is. So average speed is total distance by total time taken, that is 50 kilometer per hour. So what they are asking is, find the ratio of average speed to maximum speed. Ratio, average speed, that is 50, maximum speed, that is 90. So the ratio is 5/9 or 5:9. So since they have asked in ratio, that is 5:9 is the ratio. Next, a car starts from rest and acquire a velocity of 54 km per hour in 2 seconds. Find the acceleration. So what they have given us. So last problem what we did. So initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration time, everything remains the same. And now a car starts from rest. So initial velocity, I'll just write the representation what we use. Initial velocity u. Initial velocity u, that is 0, since it is starting from rest. Then final v, that is 54 km per hour. 54 km per hour in 2 seconds. Time 2 seconds. Find the acceleration. So a is equal to v minus u by t. Since it is in seconds, as I told, you have to convert this 54 to meter per second. So 54 into 1000 by 3600. So last problem what we did. So that is 6 2s are 3s are 1s are 5s are. So this is nothing but 15 meter per second. So 15 minus 0 by 2, nothing but 7.5 meter per second square. So the acceleration is 7.5 meter per second square. Next. So there are some more problems which are based on other equations, which I'll be discussing after solving some of the time graphs. So first I'll explain you what is a time graph, velocity time graph, distance time graph, and we'll get 3 equations using that. So later I'll solve some more problems based on those 3 equations. So I'll explain that the graph in the next class. So till then, thank you. Have a great day.